Deputy. Okay. Correct. Correct. To be. Okay, first part of our demonstration, papakita ko namin yung basic punching. Paano po yung proper. Okay. Si Chok! Empowerment style. Single punch. 1, 2. Double punch. 1, 2. Triple punch. 1, 2. Check. Okay, ma'am sir, dapat mo matutunan ng mga bata kung paano sumutok ng proper at kung paano niya hit yung opponent. So this is the basic. And now, we will proceed po sa kicking. Okay, everybody, check. Connect. Everybody, perfect stand. Sharp. Ito po yung kickings. Okay, this is the basic kickings. Okay, stretch kicking style. 1, 2. Just 1.